indeed, we are back. You are watching MX Beats. If you're just tuning in for the first time, this is the show where we give you the baddest, the flyest, the hottest in music, entertainment, everything and anything you need. My name is Ms. Drew.
Yes, and I'm Jason Ali. I've got DJ Varosky in the card, as always, carrying on. But right now, it's time for social media. And it's all about you talking to us responding, and listening, of course, to what you guys want to see and talk about, basically.
Of course.
So,
So on our big, fantastic, beautiful screen. Okay. Angie Varana.
Yeah.
She says, Jason, you make the show triple nice. Love her. Look at you blushing.
I'm sure that's how she tweeted it.
Yeah.
That's the mood.
Why are you blushing like that?
Yeah, because it's me and her, you know?
Well, it's true. Earlier I said send your love notes, so she's really sending them. Really sending them.
If only you knew.
Even Sandra. If it wasn't for DJ Varosky, I mean, who could mash up this show? Well, you're right, girl. We got the baddest DJ in the whole world.
They said, Allah said Momo.
He said Momo. Said Momo.
From Brantford Chase says, MX Beats is a show packed with so many talented people, of course, from our up-and-coming artists, presenters, our amazing DJ, to our most established artists. That's what we're about. From Colin Styles, DJ Varosky, energy is just mad. What'd you drink today, Varosky? What'd you eat this morning?
It's true.
Gary Sokens.
I had a feeling that was coming. I had a feeling.
Have you seen the last message?
Varosky, you should read this.
No, I'm not.
Come on.
Have you been to? Has he been to heaven before?
Hey,
That's actually a good
Mr.
question.
Moses.
Okay, Ms. Drew, what does heaven look like?
Well, heaven looks just as sweet
Just
as
like you?
me. Aw,
Wow.
thank you, Moses. Yeah, you guys have got vibes. Vibes and bars. I love it. Keep it coming. Come on. Let me know how beautiful I am. But I'm joking. Thank you guys so much.
Yes. Now, we're going to carry on. Now, this show obviously is about music, the best jams, the most exclusive jams. And that's why I've got the DJ himself. So what are we carrying on to, Varosky?
All right. So today, all the way from the United Kingdom.
Ooh.
I mean, I know Miss Drew is going to be really happy.
London tan, you know.
I'm bringing some fun. Not in it, some fun.
Fam.
Yeah, I mean, she corrected me, so it's a fam thing.
It's fam.
So
no
all the way from the United Kingdom, big in Afrobeats, came with a banger, Chance featuring Davido. He gave us TikTok. He gave us a lot of songs.
Okay.
But here we have UG Official. Woo! Check him out.
Yeah, with the guy in dance and the girl say, yeah, with the keys in dance. With the girl in girl in the music, yeah, with the girl in dance. UG Official. Darling, shake your body, girl, gyrate. Break your body like I hate, cause you get plenty boys who want party. We see, make your back, you won't fall down. Rate this party done now. Me see plenty bottles don't come round. Me see, tick, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, 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 tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tick. She get body like yeah, and she want to play. Make you not frustrate. Girl, I won't be late. I know they use tom-tom. Still I go find your big bum bum. Bum bum. Like I take you see London. I say, girl, if you came to party, you ain't gotta worry about nobody. Everybody watching the way you they move it like that. The way you move it like that. Darling, shake your body, girl, gyrate. Break your body like I hate, cause you get plenty boys who want party. Me see, make your back, you won't fall down. Rate this party done now. Me see plenty bottles don't come round. Me see, tick, tick.
Alright, so that was UG Official on MX Beats. This is where I get jealous, because I mean, Miss Drew has, one of her own, like in the building. And Jason, I mean,
true.
make we
True.
just do it.
I agree. It's all yours. It's all yours.
Don't be sad, guys.
Just
Don't be
in it,
sad.
him.
Well, yeah. I keep telling you guys, in it is such an old word. Nobody says in it anymore. Gosh.
What do you guys say now?
Fam.
From the Oko Ukrasia. Yo.
Yes, guys, of course, you got the one and only UG Official in the building.
Yo, what's up, people?
I'm good. How have you been? How you finding Ghana?
Loving it. Been here for 6 weeks, and I'm not ready to leave yet.
Oh, my
And
God.
as I said before, I'm ready to take Varosky's job.
Oh my gosh.
I'm ready.
I would also want to go to the UK.
You want to go? Don't go to London right now. The COVID
Yeah,
over there is a
lockdown,
bit
bro.
crazy.
Yeah,
Lockdown
How
is
was
crazy.
the lockdown for you? I mean, like a lot of artists,
Yeah.
they're all about engaging with crowds,
Yeah.
performing. You see a lot of artists doing virtual concerts. How was it for you? Were you inside? Did you record?
I mean, before lockdown, I spent a lot of time indoors anyway, because I
Okay.
record every day.
Okay.
But I think it was more like our pockets took a hit, you know, because we couldn't do any live shows, and that's what we really eat from. So it was hard, but at the same time, I think it gave everybody a chance to kind of recollect themselves, refocus, and really ask yourself,
Perspective,
like,
right?
what do you actually want to achieve?
Yeah.
And for me, that's what 2020 was for me, like for me to refocus and just, you know, regather myself.
I like
It was
that. I
good, it
like
was good
that.
for me, yeah.
You mentioned how you record every day, but usually we haven't heard any new songs on the regular in a while. What's going on? What's the matter?
You know, sometimes you get caught up in living life, you know. And I'm a person that likes living life.
Hey, enjoyment.
I like
in the
that.
moment.
If
you know
you
what
have
I'm
him on
I like
Instagram or
Don't
Snapchat,
listen to her, guys.
if you see the
We just read
enjoyment
nice
he'd be doing, you know,
books
popping bottles, really popping bottles this Christmas.
Of water. Nah, yeah, but I feel like life is to be lived. So for me, I think I took time out just to go and like really live so that I can have something to talk about. But we got over like 1,000 songs there, so
Okay,
Already,
you got. Say that again.
you heard, right?
Say it again.
Over
Over
1,000
1,000 songs. Vareski, do you
Wow.
even have over 1,000 songs?
This year we dropping.
I don't think
We
so.
dropping.
All right, Eugene, so 2021,
Yes, sir.
more music.
Yes, sir.
Are we expecting like an album or something? Like what's
Yeah.
up to
So we've got Foreplay Volume 2. I dropped an EP late
Yeah.
last year called
Yeah.
Foreplay Volume 1.
Yeah.
So Volume 2 will come out this year as
Okay.
well. And then I've got about 10 to 15 singles that are going to drop this year as well.
Wow.
And then a couple of collaboration projects with like Medical and J Bad as well.
Oh,
so.
nice.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
One
Nice.
thing, like I've always wondered is, now you're based in the UK, right?
Yes.
But you have a great relationship with Africa
Yeah.
and Ghana. You shoot videos here. Is it difficult or is it easier? Like since you have a wider, so to speak, fan base, does it make the reach easier, or is it difficult trying
It's
to
hard.
please everyone?
It's hard. I'm not going to lie and sit here and say it's easy. It's hard because you do something and maybe this set might not like it.
Exactly.
Do you get what I mean? And then you got to cater for that. But I feel like as a musician, you should just do what you got to do, and whoever needs to hear it or needs to listen to it or needs to catch on to it will. But I do try to cater to both sides of the market.
Everyone.
Yeah.
But then would you say you have a specific genre that is yours, or you literally are dabbling into
Everything.
different? So we can even hear you on some jazz,
Oh,
Afro jazz.
I would love to do jazz.
Really?
Yeah, I would
What
love
about
to.
I'm a Piano? That's coming in now.
This year, don't worry.
Oh, wow.
Don't worry. I told you 1,000 songs.
Hey.
I told you.
And Afrobeats is a big thing. I mean,
the
not
biggest,
just now.
the
It's
biggest, bro.
been for a while. You have artists like you,
Yeah.
Burna Boy, Wizkid, Davido. You hear Shatawale dabbling a bit of Afrobeats,
Yep.
Stonebwoy.
Yep.
How far do you see it going? Because there are some people say maybe it's just for the moment.
Yeah.
We don't see like this, but being an artist in that space, how far do you see? How far do you think we can take
Well,
it?
the way that me and my manager in London talk about Afrobeats is like how hip hop was in the 90s, like the 80s and 90s.
Wow.
Yeah, so I feel like it's even though it's been around, you know, we've had
Yeah.
people had to start it for it to get to where it is now. So I feel like it might become the new pop. That's
Wow.
gonna be yeah, it is
That's-
because
that's
in London
like-
already
Yeah.
the sound has shifted. Even though they might call it Afro swing, Afro whatever they call
Yeah.
it originates.
Yeah.
Like it's
Afrobeats.
because they're listening to the sounds from Africa
Yeah.
and then kind of brothalizing it, as you want to call it. and brothalize the sound. you
Again,
know?
does that put pressure on you, the artist? Because think about it, when you have something that's doing so well,
Yeah.
and you're like the front runner, everyone, like every song, you're gonna get more criticized,
I
you're gonna get more talked
But that's
about.
the
Does
job
it-
we chose.
like,
Yeah.
how
Like
do
you
you deal with
chose.
the
Yeah,
pressure?
that's what we chose. No, there's no such thing. Well, there's pressure, but it's only pressure if you allow it to be pressure. You can convert
True.
it. You
That's
know,
the
to-
answer,
yeah,
right?
to
Yeah.
use it, yeah,
Buzz.
so.
Okay, let me ask
There's
this
answer.
question for Jason. I mean, Jason, you just sent me a message. I saw it. Like, let me just read what he said.
Hey, really?
It's like,
DJ
yo, how do you
Feroz is
handle
the
the
biggest
girls?
like-
I mean, Jason, you just wanted me to ask this
Bro.
question, so let me just, I'm just reading it.
How do I
How do you
handle the
handle the
like,
girls?
yeah.
No, but
Are you single or are you taken?
I'm taken still.
Oh.
I'm taken, so I don't
I'm
really.
sorry, Miss
An
Drew.
honest guy.
I'm sorry,
Thank
Miss Drew.
you.
It's okay.
An honest
you.
guy on the show.
So,
Jason, are you taking?
An honest guy on the show. That's why I love you, G. You're so honest.
Yeah, man.
Man, I'm gonna
Jason,
be like
are you taking?
I'm gonna be like Eugene when I grow up.
So
are
right
you
now
gonna
he's
grow up?
admitting that he's not an honest
when are
guy.
you
When
gonna
I
grow up,
grew
son?
up, I have a lot of work to
No, I'm
do.
joking.
Oh
I'm
my
joking.
God. I
have a lot of
You
work
there,
to
you
do.
there,
So
bro.
how do you handle the pressure? Of course, girls are always throwing themselves at you on your DMs everywhere.
But it's life. As in,
Me, I just see it as them appreciating. Do you know what I'm saying? Because the music we do is more aimed at the women anyway.
Oh, okay.
So we shouldn't be, well, I shouldn't be surprised. So when they show appreciation, I just try not to let it get to my head. Because that's when you mess up.
A very big congratulations to
Thank
you.
you,
I
bro.
think, all jokes aside, you've done so well.
Thank you, bro.
Being based in the UK, reaching Africa like you do, come to shoot videos. I mean, it must be tiring though. Apart from the fact that there might be pressure and the ladies, like going back and forth. How
I
do
see
you
it
do
as
that?
it's like holiday for me.
Is
bro.
it? Of
'Cause London
course.
is, okay, I love London.
But right now,
Please,
You're gonna get in trouble.
Please, Boris.
He's the
I need to
reason-
come back. So if you are hearing this, I don't mean it. London is dry.
it is.
It's dry.
It is dry. Please
Dry,
explain to us, because I have some friends who want to run away.
No, don't run away. That's why Miss Drew
Like
is
it's
here.
nice, obviously, for making money.
Yeah.
Like it's nice. The pound is nice to make. But you see, for freedom of life and peace of mind, you guys think here is bad, but I promise you, when I come here is when I feel at peace.
Yeah.
So
Versky, we cool, right? Or you still want to leave me?
I'm cool.
You're leaving me. He's like, it's cool, it's cool.
I want to go to Afghanistan. I mean,
I mean, Yuji, all right, so right now there's quite a few, upcoming UK Afrobeats artists
Yep.
that probably want to come to Ghana, want to even have the opportunity to have the collabs that you have made here. How was it making collaboration with the Ghanaian artists, and what advice would you give to
The-
UK
the
people
one
out
thing
there?
I'll tell people is that Ghanaians are very friendly and very supportive. If you are genuine with Ghanaian people, they'll be genuine with you. And the one thing is you have to come here. You can't sit across the waters and think you can call shots. You have to come on the ground. So the
Exactly.
advice I would give is come here, network. Me, I can go to King Promises and I'll sleep on the sofa.
Oh,
You know what I mean? And I'll go medicals. I don't mind that, because at the end of the day, it's work.
Yeah.
And everybody has their schedule and timing. So as long as you know that inside yourself and you're willing to work for it, you'll get there. Me, I worked for it, and I'm still working.
I like
And
that.
if people want to work with you, is it easy?
It's easy.
I-
As long as the song is good.
Usually, are you sure? Because I'm sure your
I must be
DMs,
one
like,
of the
I think
easiest
Jason sent
people.
you a message and you didn't reply.
yeah, like I sent your beat, DJ Ross's beat. You shouldn't text me.
Araski, if you needed me, would you not get me?
I'll get to you there anytime.
Wow.
Jason, if you need
I
me, you'll
need to-
get me.
I need to get to him more.
If you need me, you'll get me. Bro.
Okay, right, of course, we've asked so many questions, but we also want to find out your questions. So right now, we're about to see what you guys have been saying on social media, and Yuji must answer every single
Wow.
question. So, social media. Starting with man like Lego Youngs. Okay. Said, I love your style, man. I think he's from London. Who did you look up to when you first started Afrobeats?
Crazy, but they're younger than me. But still, Davido and Wizkid.
Ah.
Yeah, for me, in terms of when I was in London and the popular sound that was going on when I was in
Yeah.
university, it was obviously them. We had One Day Cold too,
Mm-hmm.
Castro,
Yes.
R2B.
This is the
These
music
are
we
all the
listen
people
to
that
in
I heard. When I
university
saw
in
what they were
London.
doing, I was like, yo,
You want to jump on?
that's where I'm going.
Okay.
mean? So, yeah, definitely
Jason?
them.
Now you have to read this, Miss Drew. I can't read this. Oh, Versky,
No, bro.
you read it.
Lena Tishy, she says, Yuji Official,
Gracias.
you're so very sexy
Thank
and
you, thank you.
charming.
Thank you.
But Lena, he's taken. Didn't
Disclaimer:
you
your
hear?
girlfriend is not watching this right now.
no,
so,
shit.
yeah.
It's cool.
Didn't you hear? All right, cool.
Yeah. Davy Jones, I like your song with Kim Promise. I think you should do a joint album. Happening, maybe one
We've
day.
got enough songs though.
Wow.
Already done. I think we had almost like half of an album. I think
Wow.
So what takes you guys so long to release the songs?
scheduling. Because
Hey.
like everyone has like, because people already pre-recorded and they know like what they're gonna release ahead of time. So when you record in the studio, it's like damn, you gotta kind of fall in line. So it's like that
So
scheduling.
you might have recorded a song, last week that is going to come out in 2022.
My most recent release was recorded in the beginning of 2019.
Hey.
Wow.
It's been sitting there.
Wow. Varoski's like, yeah, normal.
Yeah, no, it is.
So
it
if I
really
do
is.
a song with you, Varoski, I bet it won't come out to 2024.
2025.
Ain't coming out now. From Ms. Latte, if you're looking at collaborating with 3 Ghanaian female artists,
Okay.
good question. Who would they be? Because there's a lot of good ones.
Amare.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
she's
She's
dope.
Good one.
amazing.
She's dope.
Tania
Okay.
You take it. You stop
Yeah.
it. All these girls are dope.
and Sina Soul.
Ah.
Gigi, bye-bye. It's been a good show. Thank you very much for coming through.
Yeah. I like that.
Amazing artists, though.
Definitely. Those
But that means, I think what this says, and his answer means you have a very keen ear, right? Because
Yeah.
they are established, and
Yeah.
we know they're going to be bigger, but they're still getting out
Yeah,
there.
but they're
So you
amazing.
listen to a
All
lot
of them are amazing artists.
a lot
All
of music.
them, yeah.
Awesome. Big shout outs to them. Last one for today. Branson Jigga, name your top 3 rappers in the UK. This could get him in trouble.
No, that's cool. I like Heady One,
Yes.
Okay.
He's from Ghana.
Abracadabra,
Okay.
and then Millions from Birmingham.
Yeah, to all my people all my people in Birmingham.
Bromichan.
Your people in where? Don't call them your people,
My people
bro.
in Birmingham, big shout out to you guys. But yeah, those were questions from social
Thank
media,
you.
like we say every single week. You guys ask these artists because it's difficult to get to them, let's be honest.
Yeah.
Because they have such a huge following. They're always on the move, always working. So it's good to have them here to ask them these questions, right?
Of course, and right now we're going to go for a quick break. But before we do that, Yuji,
yes.
why don't you introduce your music video?
The song that you're about to play right now is called My Touch. And there's a whole dance challenge going on right now for on Instagram and TikTok. So make sure you guys go check it out.